Hey everybody, Mr. Concrete, back at it again. I've got another big secret thing to make, and so I've got another batch of kind of a tomato terracotta something. I don't know what you'd call this color. It's a blushy terracotta. I don't know. And it feels real nice. It's heavy. It's a very heavy fluid. Oh. And this feels about right. Going not quite. A little too wet to marble with. This also has some secret ingredients. I sometimes catch flack from people, concrete, like hardcore concrete guys, that will tell me that this mix is not concrete, it's a mortar mix. It's a mortar mix, man. Mortar mix, man. To which I would reply, it is not a mortar mix. This is concrete. It has all the components of concrete, along with some other secret components, and not so secret components, like naturally farmed hemp fiber, help giving us strength, but also a secret. But I have something to tell you that's not a secret, in that we are releasing a color catalog. It's the beginnings of how to, mix some of the beautiful colors that we make. One of the fun things that I get to do, being here, ConcreteConcrete, being Mr. ConcreteConcrete, for now, is I get to mix a lot of really cool colors. And I get to have a lot of freedom of how I mix them and what I choose to make. But we know that color can be very difficult. Difficult and daunting, and it's vast. So we wanted to make life a little bit easier for you. And if you go on our website, you can find, not yet, but by the end of the week, I think, by the end of the week, I'll give you another update. By the end of the week, we will have a color chart with the beginnings of some colors and how much pigment you want to use per kilo of concrete and all that good stuff. And we'll help you get in making the most beautiful things in the world with gray matter. Because that's really what this is about. There's lots of people that make concrete, lots of suppliers of concrete. You can go down to your Home Depot or whatever and just buy a bagged concrete mix. But it's not going to do this. And it's never going to get as strong as this gets. It's never going to be able to reproduce the same detail that you can reproduce. Oh, yeah. Oh. Oh, I love you. Okay. This is ready. So this is the end of the video because I gotta do my secret. I got secret stuff to do. So have a good night. Hopefully you're doing rather than, well, you might be, I guess you might be watching this, but also hopefully you're doing something, or at least this inspires you to do something. Move your bod. Don't just watch, don't just talk. Get your hands dirty, move them around in something, do something, whatever. Oh no. Oh, my hands. Oh no. They're gone. Have a good night.